want to address the I'm bored syndrome, okay? Because it's going to happen. Summer's here, y'all.
Oh, my gosh,
It's going to happen. My kids get that every time during summer. It's something we do. So we talk about a summertime schedule. Now, we know when a child has a schedule to follow, it makes life easier. It really, really does. So it makes you not be that bad guy. So in our calendar, we put the chores in there. We put TV time. We put snack time, things like that. So you're not the bad guy, right? Hey, it's time for you to go clean the bathroom. Oh, Mom, it's right here on your calendar. Oh, okay. Well, let me go do it. Then you're not the bad guy anymore because you've already gone through the calendar. So that's what I like about that. We know lack of sleep and too much sugar is going to equal what? A hyper, very bored kid in the summer. So keeping your kid to a schedule is actually helping them. So during school, Michaela goes to bed at 7:30 p.m. During the summer, it's 8:30 p.m. We have sugar limited once a day. That's it. We're not having it for breakfast. If we plan on having, popsicle or something later on. That's just how it works in my house. We think it works. So how is this, the whole calendar thing, a Dr. Mom segment? Well, we are keeping to a schedule, and our kids are sleeping an appropriate amount of hours at night. Therefore, we're keeping their immune system built up.
I remember this came up before.
Mm-hmm. Their immune system will continue to build as they're sleeping. So I highly suggest putting the Thieves blend of essential oils and lemon together on the bottom of their feet before bedtime. This automatically, or not automatically, but it somehow magically keeps them above that wellness line. That's what I found out with my kids, just using that every night. And then we can post that on our webpage how they can actually, our listeners can actually find that particular Thieves blend